Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Shraddha Pawar from Standard 2nd, subject English. Our today's topic name is How to Travel. Here travel means what? Travel means to go from one place to another. We use different means of transport to go from one place to another. Some means of transport move on land. Some means of transport move on water. Some means of transport move in air. We use bicycle, auto rickshaw, etc. to visit a place. We use an aeroplane to reach a very far away place in urgent. Urgent means early. Now students, in details we will see how to travel in this lesson. First of all, I will read this lesson and everyone's eye on your book. Are you ready? Okay, now I will start. Our today's topic name is How to Travel. You can travel on land. You can travel on water. How do you travel on land? You can walk a short way to school. You can ride a bike home. You can ride a scooter or an auto to the market. You can take a bus to the shops. How do you travel on water? You can take a boat from the shore. You can take a ship if you want to go far away. How do you like to travel? Students, for your better understanding, I will repeat this lesson reading. Okay? Our today's topic name is How to Travel. You can travel on land. You can travel on water. How do you travel on land? You can walk a short way to school. You can ride a bike home. You can ride a scooter or an auto to the market. You can take a bus to the shops. How do you travel on water? You can take a boat from the shore. You can take a ship if you want to go far away. How do you like to travel? Students, today we read 3 new words. Those are travel, land, and shore. Students, repeat after me. Number 1, travel. Number 2, land. And the next, number 3, shore. Let us see the meanings of new words. Number 1, travel. Travel means go from one place to another. Next, number 2, land. Land means the part of the earth's surface that is not covered by water. Next, number 3, shore. Shore means the land along the edge of a sea, lake, or other large body of water. Now students, I will show you pictures of some new words. Land. Here you can see land. Land means what? Just now I told you land means the part of the earth's surface that is not covered by water. Understood? Land means what? Next picture is shore. Shore means what? Shore means the land along the edge of a sea, lake, or other large body of water. Understood? Shore means what? Here you can see in this picture. Students, now we will make sentence with the help of new words. Okay? Number 1, travel. And the sentence is, I would like to travel there. Next, number 2, land. And the sentence is, I will build a new bungalow on this land. Number 3, shore. And the sentence, we may swim back to the shore. Students, like this you have to make sentences with the help of new words. Understood? Students, now I will explain you our today's topic, how to travel. You can travel on land. Some means of transport, for example, bicycle, auto rickshaw, scooter, bus, tempo, truck, move on land. Now I will show you pictures of bicycle, auto rickshaw, tempo and truck. Now students, bicycle means what? Here I will show you picture of bicycle. Bi means two and bicycle means two-wheeled vehicle. A bicycle also called a bike or cycle, having two wheels, two pedals. Understood? Next, auto rickshaw. I am sure everyone knows auto rickshaw. Yes or no? Most have three-wheeled passenger cart which is black and yellow in color. Next picture is of tempo. Tempo is a vehicle smaller than a truck which help people to take the goods from one place to another. Tempo also having four-wheeled. And next, truck, which is bigger than a tempo and it also helps people to take the goods one place to another place. For long distance, we can take truck from one state to other state to take the goods. You can travel on water. Some means of transport, for example, sailboat, motorboat, speedboat, ship, move on water. As we know that sailboat means sailing boat. There are many different types of sailboat depending on design. Sailboat means small boat. Motorboat means speedboat or powerboat is a boat that is powered by an engine. Most motorboats have space for 6 passengers. Now ship. A ship is a large water vehicle that travels on water carrying goods or passengers. It is bigger than boat. For long distance, we can use ship. How do you travel on land? Okay, students, now tell me, how do you travel on land? Tell me fast. Okay. Through bicycle, scooter, auto rickshaw, by bus. Very good. You all give me correct answer. Now I will tell you, okay? You can walk a short way to school. Students, here you can see in this picture one school is there and one girl and boy. They are going to school. If you are staying near the school, then you can walk a short way to school. It means by walking you can go to school. Here short way means less distance. You can ride a bike home. My dear students, tell me, you all are having bicycle? Yes or no? Some students may have or some students may not have. That I know. Where you will go through bicycle? Yes, to the shop, market, school. Yes, very good. Like this you can ride a bike home. You can ride a scooter or an auto to the market. Just now I told you, you can ride a bike home. Like this you can use scooter to go to the market, or you can visit a garden by riding a scooter. Yes, scooter means what? A scooter is a bicycle or tricycle with very small wheels. Some scooters have a motor, some have pedals, and some are pushed with the foot. Dear students, remember this point. What I say, you should wear helmet. It keep your head safe. You can take a bus to the shops. Some students come to school by bus, by walking, by riding bicycle. Like this you can use bus to go the shops also. If you stay far away, then you can take the bus to reach there. How do you travel on water? Guess what is a correct answer? How do you travel on water? Yes, some means of transport, for example, boat, ship, motorboat, sailing boat. Yes or no? Move on water. Now we will see how do you travel on water in details. You can take a boat from the shore. Students, just now I told you shore. Shore means what? Shore means the land along the edge of a sea, lake, or other large body of water. You can use a boat for traveling one place to another place if it is a short distance to travel. Here you can see in this picture. You can take a ship if you want to go far away. Students, if you want to go far away through water, then you can use a ship. Understood? It is bigger than boat. For long distance we can use ship. A ship is a large water vehicle that travels on water. Carrying goods or passengers. How do you like to travel? Now students, you only decide. How do you like to travel? It's depend on you. Understood this lesson? Come on students, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Rearrange the words to make sentence. Number 1. On, can, water, you, travel. Students, you have to rearrange the words. Okay? Then we will get proper sentence. And the answer is you can travel on water. Very good. Next, number 2. Home, you, ride, can, bike. What is the correct answer? Proper sentence. We have to make a sentence. And the correct answer is you can ride a bike home. Understood? Question number 2. Opposite words. Number 1. Take. And the opposite of take is give. Number 2. Go. Opposite of go is come. Next, number 3. Like. Opposite of like is dislike. Number 4. Far. Opposite of far is near. Question number 3. Name the following. Number 1. Name the 2 ways to travel on land. Name the 2 ways to travel on land. What is the correct answer? Yes, good. Scooter and bus. Auto rickshaw also is there. You can write auto rickshaw, bicycle, tempo, truck. Correct, no? Okay, now next, number 2. Name the 2 ways to travel on water. And the answer, boat and ship. Very good. Students, you have to write this homework in your notebook. Understood? I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you everyone.